I'm here at Fry's, Kroger's for some of you, and come along and I'm going to show you what I'm purchasing. So this is primarily why I'm here today. I'm going to go get some spaghetti sauce and noodles. So when your ragu is 99 cents, 50% off, come in and buy it. It's great for food stores. Okay, real quick, Kroger's has their noodles on sale for 99 cents, and they're all 16 ounce. But if you come over here, better deal is the private selection and all sorts of noodles. And you buy one, you get one free for $1.69, and it's still the 16 ounces. So your better deal is to purchase the private selection over that. So here's my stock.
Hello and welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Today's topic is on why we prep. If you're not prepping, you need to be prepping. And for those preppers that prep but kind of forget and life gets on and you kind of forget about your preps. And primarily if you're prepping, you need to be eating and rotating your stock, at least your pantry items. Why do we prep? There's so much natural disasters. We have hurricanes and earthquakes, we have droughts and fires, and but not just those natural disasters. We have loss of income. We have a loss of job. And so the federal government's shut down right now, and God bless everybody out there that's affected by this. And I read on the news that they're having to go to the pawn shops and sell their items to be able to make their bills or even purchase food. And as a prepper, if you have your pantry, if you have things already stocked, then it's one less thing you have to worry about during those times. You can have your money to go towards your rent and other things. Now, there are so many people out there in this world that just kind of live day by day. And preppers out there that prep but kind of forget about your preps. And I just want to remind you, when things are on sale, go purchase them. In my video ahead of this video was me at Fry's, Kroger's in some parts of the country. And I was buying ragu sauce. Now, when those kind of things go on sale, that's when you need to buy it. Now, I'm not talking about having a coupon for something and purchasing something you don't eat. I am a firm believer in you purchase what your family is going to eat. Because if you don't eat it now, you're not going to eat it during hard times, unless you're just truly starving to death. And so going back to our preps, Fry's had ragu sauce in several different things. The cheese, the Alfredo. This is a creamy basil Alfredo, and they were 99 cents. And so I never purchase anything unless it is on sale. These are normally $1.99. Walmart, you can purchase it for a little cheaper, but 99 cents is a neat find to find. So I purchased several bottles of these, and also purchased a bunch of noodles. Now with my noodles, they're all wheat. There's no egg or oil in it, so these will store, and I'll do another video of what I do, another way of storing in like jars. And I've had several people that don't have food savers or don't have the Mylar bags, and so you put them in a mason jar, and even without the air sucked out, they're going to store a long time because they don't have any fats in them. And also I purchased several different noodles, not just the same thing. So this is the I can't even pronounce that, farfalle, different ones, just so that you have something different in your preps. Another item to purchase, if you've not seen these, in the Southwest we have them. I'll leave a link below that you can find these. These are refried beans, regular and green chili refried beans. And these are not the whole bean. These are dried beans. They're broke down. And so literally all you have to do is put some water in them and they reconstitute easy. It's not like a soak thing. So my husband will use these in the truck and dump some into his top ramen soups and use them. Another thing I purchased was at the Asian market. Now I've never stored these. I've used these. But I'm thinking, you know what? Noodles, What's another neat way of having noodles? Now, all the Asian noodles, they're wheat-based products. Udon noodles, soba noodles. And what's neat about these is they're same as our regular noodles that we purchase, but they're thin, kind of like an angel hair pasta. And to make your own top ramen noodle soup. So if you've got some chicken broth, some beef broth, something like a freeze-dried vegetable, your dehydrated vegetables, pour that in, put some of these refried beans in, you have a good soup that you can have in a pinch in hard times. Also, these noodles I think are neat to make when you make like broccoli and you saute it with some like sweet peas, different things, and then you have your sauce and you can put some of these in so you have noodles in with your vegetables. So the items that we purchase, the items that we store should be, always be, what you eat, what you feed your family. Now, I had a person make a comment on one of my videos of powdered milk. I don't store powdered milk. I haven't for years. I don't drink it. I don't use it. So I store some more evaporated milk, not as much as I used to, but I always have evaporated and sweetened condensed on hand. And I'm not a big drinker anymore. The older I get, the more I evolve. I drink more almond milk. And you know, you have to evolve with your preps also. But I always stand by firmly. You buy your food for your preps, for your pantry, and you rotate it. It's something you should buy and rotate. You eat it, you replace it. And so I hope this video helps some people out. It's just another reminder of why we prep, and get out there and prep, but don't just make it your life. Doomsday is not something I want anybody to just sit there and just like, oh my gosh, well, what if this happens and I'm just gonna put all my time into prepping? No, you prep, you live your life, you have a wonderful life, and you move forward. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell, and you all have a blessed day.